the Parade Commander, Major G.J. Oko.
The President to the Guard of Honor inspection.
7 officers, 96 members of the Armed Forces of Nigeria on bail, ready for inspection. Yeah. Papa, one second.
I am pleased to address you today and preside over the flag-off ceremony for commercial operation of Lagos-Ibadan railway project at the Mobility Johnson railway station, Ebute Meta, Lagos. This signals yet another milestone in the drive of this administration to revitalize the railway system, establish it as a choice mode of transportation for both passengers and freight, and position it as a transportation backbone that can transform industrial and economic activity in the country. This vital line establishes an end-to-end logistics supply chain in railway transport within its short corridor. Lagos-Ibadan, as good to the hinterland, will now be transported by rail directly from the Apapa port quayside straight to the inland container depot located in Ibadan, from where it can be distributed to other parts of the country. Distinguished guests, from the beginning of this administration, railway infrastructure development has been given the priority it deserves, and various milestones have been reached right from when the Abuja-Kaduna Railway was let off for commercial operation in 2016 to this Lagos-Ibadan Railway project being commissioned today for full commercial operation. I will at this juncture commend the Honorable Minister of Transportation, Right Honorable Rotimi Chibiki Amechi, for his drive and tenacity to achieve the milestone recorded today. He has a wonderful team in the ministry that is helping in achieving this feat. Well done to you all. I now honor to fulfill the flag of the Lagos to Ibadan railway project on this day, June 10th, 2021. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Today marks the historic day of the official commissioning ceremony and the flag off by His Excellency, the President, for full commercial operations of the newly constructed standard gauge Lagos-Ibadan railway line. This is indeed a great and memorable event for all of us here, especially given the amount of resources, time and energy expended to put this long becoming vital infrastructure in place. Perhaps what many may not know is that this infrastructure development project had faced so many challenges in the course of its execution and delivery. And without the full support and steadfast encouragement of Mr. President, this event would not have taken place today. This station today is named after Muhammadu Buhari, former governor of Lagos State. Behind us is a station named after our national leader, Alhaji Bola Tinubu. After that station is the next one, Agegesa. That one will be named after Fashola, Babatunde Fashola. I was wondering whether I should put an Ahaji or just. The next station is named after the late governor of Lagos State, Alhaji Lateef Jakone. One immediately after is named after the Vice President, Professor Oshibanjo. And after that comes one named after Funmilayo Kuti. The Ebute station is named after Professor Oloshoyija. After that is the station named after the former governor of the state, Segun Oshoba. At Olodo, there is one more station, there are two more stations. One at Omiadio, that's what they call the community, and is named after the former governor of Western Nigeria, I think Samuel Akintola. I'm sure the Yorubas will deny that one of the best leaders we've had in Nigeria, who is of Yoruba stock, Chief of Apapa, has the final station in Ibadan.
First, let me welcome His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari on his first visit to Lagos State since we assumed office in May 2019. We have benefited greatly from your administration's policies and programs. The standard gauge railway project being commissioned here today is yet another testament and an example of your administration's investment in Lagos State. This is truly a landmark project, the first standard gauge in the history of this country where you would see an administration start and end the same project within the life of an administration. I'm indeed delighted to be speaking today on behalf of my brother governors of Ogun and Oyo State. Of course, it passes through these three states, the Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail project. It is a testament to the commitment of Mr. President to deliver the transformational infrastructure to every part of this nation. It is also a testament to what is possible when national and sub-national government work together for the benefit of its people. Over the last 4 years, Lagos State government has been working closely with the federal government through the Federal Ministry of Transportation and the Nigerian Railway Corporation to make critical decisions and solve the various project-related issues as they have arisen. Today, we can look back and with utmost satisfaction that our collective efforts have not been in vain. The social and economic benefit of this rail project cannot be overemphasized. The corridor between Lagos, Ogun and Ibadan is arguably the most important commercial corridor in this country on account of the relative size of the Lagos economy as well as the fact that Lagos is home to the biggest air and seaport in our country. With the commissioning of this rail line today, it will now be possible for people to walk in Lagos and live outside Lagos, and of course vice versa. It will radically transform the life, the work, and the leisure for multitude of our citizens along this corridor. It will open opportunity for investment, real estate corridor, urban development, commerce, and so on. It will encourage the private sector, the communities and individuals to take advantage of this opportunity this line has thrown up, and it will draw along the entire corridor. The kind of synergy between the federal government and the state government should be the normal operating model for any infrastructure development in any country, Nigeria being an example to that. We're now entering a new golden age of rail travel in Nigeria under the watch of Mr. President, President Muhammadu Buhari, and Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo are excited to be part of this. We look forward to reaping the full benefits of this project in the months and the years ahead.